Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 Bluetooth FM transmitters on the market. These little devices are lifesavers for anyone who wants to stream music, make hands-free calls, or charge their devices while driving. We've put them through their paces, and we're here to give you a detailed breakdown so you can find the perfect one for your needs. Check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started. Coming in at number 4 is the LENCENT Bluetooth 5.3 FM transmitter. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this device offers faster pairing and a more stable connection. It supports hi-fi music playback via USB flash drives and Bluetooth-enabled devices, ensuring distortion-free sound. The standout feature is its Quick Charge 3.0 USB port, which delivers an 80% faster charging speed than standard chargers, making it perfect for power-hungry smartphones. The design is sleek and functional, with intuitive controls and a clear LED display. The built-in microphone and noise suppression technology provide excellent call quality, while the multi-safety protection system ensures safe charging for your devices. However, the LENCENT transmitter lacks some premium features like ambient lighting or enhanced bass effects, which might make it less appealing for users seeking a more immersive experience. This transmitter is a reliable choice for drivers who prioritize fast charging and stable connections. Its pros include Quick Charge 3.0 capability, solid call quality, and hi-fi music support. Cons are its basic design and lack of advanced features like customizable lighting or deep bass. At number 3, we have the LENCENT FM transmitter, which offers a great mix of features and affordability. This device is designed to deliver crystal clear music streaming with support for a wide range of audio formats, including MP3, WMA, WAV, APE, and FLAC. The dual USB ports, 5-volt 2.4 amps, and 5-volt 1 amps enable simultaneous charging of 2 devices, and the integrated safety protections ensure your devices remain safe during use. The LENCENT transmitter stands out for its noise suppression and echo cancellation technology, which make hands-free calling a breeze. The built-in blue ambient light adds a touch of style and simplifies nighttime operation. Additionally, the voltage detection feature helps you monitor your car's battery health. However, while the transmitter covers a wide frequency range, 88.1 MHz to 107.9 MHz, occasional interference can occur in areas with crowded frequencies. This transmitter is best suited for users who value versatility and safety features. Its pros include multi-format music support, dual USB charging, and exceptional noise-canceling capabilities. Cons are occasional frequency interference and the lack of advanced Bluetooth technology. The runner-up on our list is the Syncwire Bluetooth 5.4 FM transmitter, a feature-packed device that delivers top-tier performance. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4 technology, it offers faster pairing and a more stable connection, ensuring uninterrupted music and calls. The dual USB ports, PD 36 watts and USB-A 12 watts, enable rapid and safe charging of 2 devices simultaneously, while the hi-fi bass button provides dynamic and immersive sound quality. What sets the Syncwire apart is its stylish rainbow light design, which adds an aesthetic flair to your car's interior. You can easily turn off the lights with a double press of the B button, making it both functional and customizable. The transmitter supports USB flash drives up to 64 gigabytes and features seamless auto connection, allowing you to pick up right where you left off every time you start your car. Ideal for tech-savvy users, the Syncwire excels in connectivity, sound quality, and design. Pros include advanced Bluetooth technology, fast charging capabilities, and customizable lighting effects. Cons are its slightly higher price point and larger size, which might not fit all car cigarette lighters. Taking the crown at number 1 is the Nulaxy 54W Bluetooth 5.3 car adapter, the ultimate FM transmitter for tech enthusiasts and frequent drivers. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, this device offers lightning-fast pairing, stable connections, and exceptional sound quality. Its 54W charging capability includes PD36W and QC18W ports, along with 2 additional charging ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously. The Nulaxy transmitter features stunning bass effects that can be activated with a single button press, delivering a rich and immersive music experience. Its 5-color LED backlit design enhances visibility during nighttime driving while adding a stylish touch to your car's interior. Voice commands and raised buttons ensure safe and precise operation without taking your eyes off the road. This transmitter is perfect for users who demand top-tier performance and versatility. Pros include revolutionary Bluetooth technology, unparalleled charging capability, and deep bass effects. Cons are its slightly larger size, which might not fit all cigarette lighter sockets, and the higher price point compared to entry-level models. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect Bluetooth FM transmitter for your car. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Let us know in the comments which transmitter you're planning to buy, or if you have any questions. We'd love to help. Until next time, drive safe and stay connected.